you get in there?
By me, B-boy. Like B-boy.
Like big boy, you climbed in there by yourself? Can you get out by yourself?
Yeah.
Well, let me see. Get out by yourself. Show me how to get out. You know how to get out. There you go. You gonna go back in? Your bird poo all over your butt. You're really gonna have to have a bath and wash your hands and everything when you get done playing. You know that? That's nasty. Don't put your hands near your mouth. And your little toy there, it's gonna have to be washed too. Alright, let's go take a bath.